How to add Venmo to Apple Pay. Venmo is a popular payment platform that allows you to send and receive money from friends and family. By adding Venmo to Apple Pay, you can make secure and convenient payments directly from your iPhone. Here is how to do it. Unlock your iPhone and locate the Wallet app on your home screen. This is where you'll manage your Apple Pay settings and payment methods. Tap on the Wallet app to open it and access your payment methods. Within the Wallet app, tap on the option to add a credit or debit card. Scroll down and select Venmo from the list of available payment methods. You'll be prompted to log into your Venmo account, so enter your Venmo username and password to proceed. Depending on Venmo security measures, you may be required to verify your identity through additional steps, such as the two-factor authentication or biometric verification. Review and agree to any terms and conditions presented by Venmo and Apple Pay. Once your Venmo account is successfully added to Apple Pay, you'll receive a confirmation message. To make a payment using Venmo through Apple Pay, simply select Venmo as your payment method during checkout at participating merchants. Follow the prompt on your iPhone to authenticate the payment using Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode. By following these steps, you can easily add Venmo to Apple Pay and make seamless payments directly from your iPhone. Enjoy the convenience and security of using Venmo with Apple Pay for your transactions. Thank you for learning how to add Venmo to Apple Pay with us. We hope this guide helps you streamline your payment experience. Happy transacting, happy Venmoing. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.